Legends of Learning presents the Decimalware X game. This is a math game that makes learning about arithmetic with decimals fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, the main computer of the power plant has been infected by Decimalware, a pesky computer virus. You have been tasked to clear the computer of it and restore operations. Use your math skills to multiply decimal numbers together, and use the mouse to click on the arrow buttons to correctly create the right answer, and click and select the decimal point slider to correctly answer the math questions. Earn more points to advance to higher levels in the game. You will learn more about arithmetic with decimals in this game as you progress. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Do you have the right skills to help you win the game? Use your knowledge of math to help you complete as many questions as possible. Have fun and enjoy playing. See if you can score a high score.